Conversation about food. Conversation about food. សន្ទនាអំពីម្ហូប Do you like to cook? Do you like to cook? តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តធ្វើម្ហូបទេ Yes, I do. Cooking helps me feel relaxed after long hours working. Yes, I do. Cooking helps me feel relaxed after long hours working. បាទខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តការចម្អិនអាហារជួយឲ្យខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ធូរស្រាលបន្ទាប់ពីធ្វើការអស់ជាច្រើនម៉ោង Is there any kind of food you don't like? Is there any kind of food you don't like? តើមានអាហារប្រភេទណាដែលអ្នកមិនចូលចិត្តទេ I don't really like fried chicken, which is very high in fat. I don't really like fried chicken, which is very high in fat. ខ្ញុំពិតជាមិនចូលចិត្តសាច់មាន់បំពងដែលមានជាតិខ្លាញ់ច្រើនទេ Do you eat out or cook at home? Do you eat out or cook at home? តើអ្នកញ៉ាំអាហារក្រៅផ្ទះឬធ្វើម្ហូបហូបនៅផ្ទះ I usually cook at home. Sometimes when I'm busy, I go out to eat. I usually cook at home. Sometimes when I'm busy, I go out to eat. ខ្ញុំតែងធ្វើម្ហូបនៅផ្ទះពេលខ្លះនៅពេលខ្ញុំរវល់ខ្ញុំចេញទៅហូបបាយខាងក្រៅ How often do you cook? How often do you cook? តើអ្នកចម្អិនញឹកញាប់ប៉ុណ្ណា Just when I have free time. My mom is often responsible for preparing meals. She's the best cook ever. Just when I have free time, my mom is often responsible for preparing meals. She's the best cook ever. ពេលដែលខ្ញុំមានពេលទំនេរម៉ាក់របស់ខ្ញុំតែងទទួលខុសត្រូវក្នុងការរៀបចំអាហារនាងគឺជាចុងភៅដ៏ល្អបំផុតដែលមិនធ្លាប់មាន What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? តើអាហារដែលអ្នកចូលចិត្តជាងគេគឺអ្វី I'm addicted to sushi. I can eat sushi every day. I'm addicted to sushi. I can eat sushi every day. ខ្ញុំញៀននឹង sushi ខ្ញុំអាចញ៉ាំ sushi ជារៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃ Is it Western or Asian cuisine? Is it Western or Asian cuisines? តើវាជាម្ហូបបែបលោកខាងលិចឬអាស៊ី It's Asian cuisine. Sushi is derived from Japan. It's Asian cuisine. Sushi is derived from Japan. វាជាម្ហូបអាស៊ី Sushi មានប្រភពមកពីប្រទេសជប៉ុន Is it easy to make your favorite food? Is it easy to make your favorite food? តើវាងាយស្រួលធ្វើម្ហូបដែលអ្នកចូលចិត្តទេ Yes, I guess the recipe is quite simple. Yes, I guess the recipe is quite simple. បាទខ្ញុំគិតថាអញ្ចឹងរូបមន្តគឺសាមញ្ញណាស់ What ingredients do you need to make that food? What ingredient do you need to make that food? តើអ្នកត្រូវការគ្រឿងផ្សំអ្វីខ្លះដើម្បីធ្វើម្ហូបនោះ I would need rice, eggs, meat, seafood and vegetable. I would need rice, eggs, meat, seafood and vegetable. ខ្ញុំត្រូវការអង្ករសុទ្ធសាច់អាហារសមុទ្រនិងបន្លែ What do you think about fast food? What do you think about fast food? តើអ្នកយល់យ៉ាងណាដែរចំពោះអាហាររហ័ស I don't really like fast food. It's not healthy at all. I don't really like fast food. It's not healthy at all. ខ្ញុំពិតជាមិនចូលចិត្តអាហាររហ័សទេវាមិនមានសុខភាពល្អទាល់តែសោះ Would you say that you have a healthy diet? Would you say that you have a healthy diet? តើអ្នកនឹងនិយាយថាអ្នកមានរបបអាហារដែលមានសុខភាពល្អទេ Yes, I would. I prefer eating vitamin, protein, and less fat. Yes, I would. I prefer eating vitamins, protein, and less fat. បាទខ្ញុំចូលចិត្តញ៉ាំវីតាមីនប្រូតេអ៊ីននិងខ្លាញ់តិច Vocabulary phrases clauses Number one real so number one feel relaxed មានអារម្មណ៍ធូរស្រាល Number two eat out ញ៉ាំអាហារក្រៅផ្ទះ Number three fried chicken មាន់បំពង Number four cuisine style ធ្វើម្ហូប Number five to be addicted to something ញៀននឹងអ្វីមួយ Number six fast food អាហាររហ័ស Number seven recipe រូបមន្តធ្វើម្ហូប Number eight ingredient គ្រឿងផ្សំ Number nine protein ប្រូតេអ៊ីន Number 10 less fat ខ្លាញ់តិច Thank you